Hello, my loves. And yesterday we just had a review, but today we have a brand new special sound to learn. And it's the first time you're learning a special sound with not 2 letters, but 3 letters. And this special sound is easy peasy because you already learned that special sound. That special sound is pull. Pull in plane. But today we're adding the S sound before it. So you're going to hear all these letters, but you're going to put them all together to make one special sound. S says S, 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 as in sun. P says P, 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 as in pig. L says ooh, 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 as in lamp. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. Spool. Spool in splash. Say it with me. Spool in splash. Again. Spool in splash. Now just you. I want to hear you again. Nice and loud. Now with me. Spool in splash. Spool in splash. One more time. Spool in splash. Who likes to splash in the water? Raise your hand if you like to splash in the water. I like to splash in the water too. Can't wait for summertime till we can splash in the pool and splash at the ocean. So tell me one more time. What special sound do you hear in the word splash? Spool. Spool in splash. Awesome job. Let's go to the board now. All right, kiddos, time to practice on the board. So let's look at the first word. And somebody tell me, what do I need to do? Circle SP. Well, SP is a special sound that says sp. But there's another one here. It's not just SP. What else I need to circle? SP and L. Yes, SPL. Why am I circling SPL? Because it's a special sound with 3 letters. That says what? Spool in splash. Good job. And what else I need to do here? Smile on I, because it's a vowel and it's just one vowel. So it says it's short sound and it gets a smile. Let's look at the next one. Let's look at this one. How many letters do I need to circle in this one? And what are the letters that I need to circle? Just 2 letters? No, not just 2 letters. How many letters do I need to circle? 3 letters. And what are they? S, P, L. Because these 3 letters together make a special sound that says spool and splash. Awesome. And what else do I do? What else do I do? Smile again? On I again? Oh, this little eye is so happy. Gets 2 smiles in 2 different words. Because it's just one vowel. When there's one vowel in the word, it usually says it's short sound and gets a smile. Awesome, awesome. Last but not least, let's look at this word. And again, let's make sure that we're paying attention, kiddos, because from now on, you're going to start learning some special sounds that are made out of 3 letters. And these 2 letters together is a special sound, sp, in spade. These 2 letters together are a special sound, pull in plane. But these 3 letters together make a new special sound. So I got to circle all 3 of them. I got to circle all 3, S, P, and L, because together they make the special sound spool and splash. Very good. And what else do I do? Another smile, but this time on A. Yes, because this word also only has 1 vowel, and therefore it gets a smile. Awesome job today. All right, loves, we are done. circling special sounds and marking the vowels. And now it's time to read the words. Yes, yes, yes. So let's go ahead and read. I want to see you reading with me. And I want to hear you reading with me. Are you ready? Spool. Split. 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 Spool. Split. Split. Splin. Splint. Splint. Spool. Splat. 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 Now again without sounding it out. Split. Splint. Splat. Awesome job reading.